Okay, so I want to do another video on just the installation of the unit. I just posted an initial review video or an initial impression video based on the box opening, and the end of the video ended a little bit abruptly, but I really was just saying that one of the things I wanted to validate the most was heat dissipation on this light, because in my experience, the Alibaba and King's Bright run pretty hot even with the medium wheel drivers detached. So that being said, my goal is to try to do a one-handed installation video. I'm going to apologize in advance for shaky camera, for not having a beautiful assistant or some kind of fancy holder or something. So I tried laying out this light on the ground to make it a little bit easier. So it's three pieces. One piece here in the center. We've got a side, and then another side. We've got two wires. Those other two ports I assume were to connect additional arrays, but I'm not that fortunate. Really cool connectors. You just push them, I guess, in the hole, and then they just kind of twist by themselves. You don't really need to do anything. So, it's supposed to be toolless as well. So that being said, let me try giving this a shot. No, not only toolless, but with one hand. So I'm gonna take this and all right, I got a half done. Those little tabs here I need to push to, oh, do you hear that click? That side clicked in. It's like a little tab here I need to press. I'm pushing, boom, clicked. Wow. Gotta say, that was probably the easiest installation I could imagine. Look at that. Pretty cool. Okay, let's see if it repeats on the other side there, if I'm gonna talk smack and not be so lucky. Okay, let's see here. Same thing. Boom, snapped right in. All right. Super impressed so far. Let's check these bad boys, the connections here. Okay, so my goal is to try to videotape these two connections. Oh, that'll be easy, it looks like. So I just gotta just push it in there. And boom, click. Okay. Like the same as the other one. Click. Okay, wow. That's it? Huh. So, interesting. So I've got the driver connected into the frame, both sides. So I'm just gonna scoot this light over a little bit here. Okay, so one of the features of this light is apparently, so I can plug it in right now, and obviously there's no light bars on it, but it's fully functional, assuming once I, plug in this power cord. So now we take these light bars, and this side has a little magnet and looks like a little connection. And the other side just slotted. Nothing mechanical to it. So my assumption is the slotted fits into this side. Oh, I didn't snap this one properly. Do that. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So I'm going to, then my assumption is the magnet obviously goes on that side. So with most things in life, you put in the slotted thing first. That's it. Just, huh? Wow, it just snaps right into place, and like the magnet kind of sucks it right in. Okay, let's see a second light here. Pretty freaking cool, I've got to say. All right, let's see here. Let's see here. Just hard to. There it goes. Nice and stable. Interesting. Okay. So, 2 bars. Shall we add more? Let's see here. 3 bars. People always talk about, oh yeah, it's a breeze to install, no problem. I mean, but talk about high quality. I mean, this isn't a company that just went and bought some LED strips, threw it on a piece of metal to dissipate the heat and shipping it out. This is, no wonder that the thing comes with a 5-year warranty. I mean, I kind of feel like moved from being an amateur to professional now, man. I mean, I know it's like saying a good rod makes you an excellent fisherman, but man, I already feel like a better grower and I haven't even turned this damn thing on yet. Step over it. Okay. Another one. Look at this thing, man. It's freaking huge. It's probably, it'll sit inside my 4x4 tray, I'm sure. But not too much difference. Talk about amazing coverage. So no wonder, I mean, it gets such high ratings and whatnot. I mean, just the coverage alone is incredible. Okay, so there she is in all of her glory. One-handed install, 5 minutes, never done it, no tools. Something else I thought was really cool. So they all come with the wire clips, not a big thing. But these are actually really cool wire clips because, they're sized properly for their light. So I can clip this 2 on and just hang one here from the ceiling. So anyway, so I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking at some of the information. It looks like this light hangs pretty darn close to the canopy as well. So I think it's under 24 inches, maybe like 18 or 19. I've got to double check before I hang it. But nonetheless, super impressed. This thing is a beast. Can't even tell you how excited I am. I feel like a kid here on Christmas, and now I'm just wondering how long it's going to take to actually be able to get some smoke out of this thing, huh? Photontek. So again, I'm doing a product evaluation for cocoforcannabis.com, and if you're interested, please use their code. It's CocoPTK5. I'm also going to put it in the description of the video. Again, from what I've seen so far, just from a quality standpoint, the 5-year warranty, I don't see how you can go wrong. I mean, really, it's super impressive light. The true test again will be growing. So subscribe. I'm going to continue to post videos. I'm going to hang this light over the next few days, run it in an empty tent so I can monitor heat for a little bit, and then get the ladies in there.